Hi, Ann Novak here, career coach with the Career Center at the East Baton Rouge Parish Library. Today I want to introduce to you a brand new initiative for the Greater Baton Rouge region, brought to you by IBM and Baton Rouge Community College, and it is called SkillsBuild. And as you can see right here on the screen, it is free. It is a free skills, job, and career growth learning initiative. So let's delve right in and see what this is all about. In the meantime, I will take myself out of the picture. All right, here we go. So let's click on this and you will learn what it is all about. We will not read through this text. Basically, it is absolutely free to you, and it is a platform that allows you to complete certain badges or certificates, most of them in the tech world, but with really sought after employment skills and hard technical skills. So we will sign up for it right here with this link, which brings us here to SkillsBuild. And there it tells you again, it's through the Baton Rouge Community College Foundation and IBM. And then you sign up right here. We will use our fictitious Jane Public. This is the Career Center's telephone number, and 231-3733. And Jane's email address is janeqpublic1976@gmail.com. And then you hit submit registration. And then you need to go to your email box, where you will see one email here from Baton Rouge Community College, which acknowledges that you have signed up. And it's also telling you to wait. So it takes about 48 hours for you to get the email from IBM, which gets you access to their platform. So we already did this, and here's this email from SkillsBuild. You are invited to SkillsBuild. So we open this email, and we will go to SkillsBuild. Here we go. Now, how will we access it? I prefer to log in with Google. We're not an IBM employee, so we can't use that. We will just choose to log in with Google. And here we already have our Jane Public. And now we are waiting on SkillsBuild. Here we go. Now we can choose our preferred language. We will choose English and continue. Then we have to agree to the terms, or we cannot use it. So we do that and we hit continue. All right, your consent has been saved. So this is the introductory page. Step 1, please select your areas of interest. So let's see what we have. And here you can already see the different kind of skills that SkillsBuild offers to you. So one are job roles: customer service representative, cybersecurity, data analyst, designer, network security expert. So for each of these roles, you will see a pathway, a learning pathway later. We will get to that. And you can earn a badge afterwards. We will just say we are interested in cybersecurity, data analyst, and network security expert. But of course, you will choose whichever one interests you, and you can choose them all. Now then we have a section professional skills, which are what we also call the soft skills. So they have some classes on that. We will just choose, we're interested in critical thinking, in decision making, in leadership, and in entrepreneurial mindset. Again, you can click as many or as few as you want to. Now, essential skills goes back to your hard tech skills. You can learn about Agile. Let's see, we want to learn about Agile methodology, design thinking, data and analytics, cybersecurity, and let's use artificial intelligence. And you will see later, based on our selections here, SkillsBuild will give us a range of classes to take. And then job readiness skills. Let's say, yes, we're interested in job searching and working from home and in creating a digital brand. So, no, I really don't want them to send me emails, so I will leave this blank and then I will do continue. Step 2. This is just our basic information. This would be our organization partner. We are done. And now we are actually using SkillsBuild. So here's a tutorial. So if you want to, you can click on Begin Tutorial and it will nicely walk you through the application. I would absolutely recommend you start with this. For our purposes right now, we will skip it and jump right in. So this is your landing page. This is what you will see. And here you see the selections I made earlier. So it has your career path, cybersecurity professional, data analyst, or entrepreneurial skills. But first of all, we will just kind of move down the page so that we get an overview. Here, this tells us about the Baton Rouge Community College Foundation, which paid for this service. And here we take the tour of SkillsBuild, and here we have some of the classes already that we indicated we have an interest in. The Agile Explorer, for example, and the entrepreneurial skills. But we will not go further into this right now because we want to go here. Make the most of SkillsBuild, right? So this is the bread and butter right here. Explore, learning, and badges. So what SkillsBuild in a nutshell will give you, it can give you very useful badges, which basically are proof that you have mastered certain content and a certain skill. And that can be very, very important in today's workplace. This is a skill you can market directly. The badge you can import on your LinkedIn profile, for example, or you can also use it on your resume. So here are the roles that I indicated earlier. Customer service representative. If I want to go this is my learning path. Different courses. Cybersecurity, obviously a lot longer. And be aware, these are not half-hour tutorials here. These are very involved courses that give you really hard skills at the end. Data analyst, designer, system administrator. Here are some other classes having to do with web development. Here are the essential skills, some of them that I indicated. So I can click on classes with this about blockchain, about digital marketing, strategy, design thinking. Here's some entrepreneurial skill, a badge about being an entrepreneur. And here are some of the professional skills, career planning, problem solving, virtual teaming, collaboration, all of that. And our job readiness skills, how to develop a LinkedIn profile, writing a good resume, and so on. Very, very useful. Of course, this is what we do at the Career Center as well. So if you would like in-person help with this, you're always welcome to contact us for these things as well. What we are really interested here are these badges and these tech skills. That is the absolute value add of this program. So let's go back and look, let's see what else they have before we dive deeper. Here is a SkillsBuild community. That's basically kind of a SkillsBuild social network. Actually, we will not even wait until this opens. Well, now it has opened. So this is where you can communicate about these classes with other people on the SkillsBuild platform. You can start working on problems together with them, ask for their advice, give advice, and so on. Let's go back. Then we have this, take a career assessment. So this will lead you to a site that after you read all the user agreements, it is powered by My Inner Genius. That's who powers this assessment. You can accept this and start taking a career assessment. I have not taken it, so I cannot tell you what the possible outcomes are, because I'm really more interested in this, in my learning and badges. So here you see more learning paths and badges, and if we scroll further down, we actually get into the meat of things. So let's, for example, look at this, learn web development with JavaScript. So here you see that this is pretty involved, right? Here is a path with the different tutorials. Here's some videos, e-learning, and you see 15 hours, 11 hours, 30 hours. So this is no quick fix, but that's why it is so valuable. You get usable, hard tech skills out of this. The same with web development using CSS. Again, it is a variety of videos and e-learning modules, and they do take their time, but it is IBM backed and IBM powered, which of course stands for quality and something that potential employers would recognize. So these are just some of the paths that are recommended based on the selections I made, but you can obviously look at all of these. Let's go back here and scroll down, and let's take the cybersecurity, very, very in-demand field. And here you see the learning path and the badge path for that. So, in a nutshell, that was a very short introduction of SkillsBuild, powered by IBM and supported by the Baton Rouge Community College. Brand new, absolutely free for you initiative for people in the greater Baton Rouge area. Do check it out. Do take advantage of it. It can really help you in your career, in your job search, and becoming more marketable. Thanks for watching. If you liked our content, check out our website and our YouTube channel and our social media. And we're always here and happy to help you.